Do you give business presentations as a part of your job? If so, you know a good presentation starts with a good first draft before making final edits.
Creating that first draft is where a lot of people struggle. In fact, most people take hours or days to draft a short presentation. We found a way to help you be more efficient with your time.
In this Bigger Brains course, we'll show you a technique for getting your first draft out of your head and onto a document in under 15 minutes. We'll show you a mapping technique for developing your key messages and supporting content, how to tailor your presentation to your audience and your time frame, and an example so you can see how simple it is to use.
The good news is this technique does not start with creating PowerPoint slides. However, when you are ready to create your visuals, this mapping technique makes it very simple to decide what slides are needed to support your message.
So struggling to come up with a first draft is a common problem for many presenters. I personally found it challenging to get my initial ideas out of my head and get them organized. The final presentation, it always came out fine, but getting there was a total slog.
What steps did you take to fix this problem?
I sought advice from experts. I took every training course I could find on presentation skills, storytelling, and presenting to executives, but I couldn't find what I needed.
I know the feeling. There are a lot of great courses out there, but many of them are too theoretical or not related to the type of business presentations we need to create.
Exactly, but one day I stumbled across an article that taught me the mapping process that we're going to show you. I read the article and watched a short video. I tried it out on a presentation I was struggling with and needed to give the following week. In less than 15 minutes, my presentation map was done. My decades-long problem was solved. It was a total breakthrough, and I've used this process ever since. Now, we want to share it with you.
So if you find yourself struggling through what feels like endless hours just to get a good first draft, this course is for you.